Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself getting frustrated with messy frames or painstakingly nesting groups in Figma, today's video is absolutely for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Auto Layout Wrap feature in Figma, a super handy tool for making your designs not only look great, but also behave exactly how you want when your content changes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create flexible, responsive layouts in just a few clicks, so let's dive right in. So once you're on your design page in Figma, the first thing we want to do is head over to the Layout panel. On the right-hand side of your Figma interface, you'll notice a section labeled Auto Layout. Think of this as the engine that powers dynamic resizing and structure in your designs. Instead of manually dragging out every element, Auto Layout lets you build a flexible framework that adapts as you tweak your content. Super helpful for things like buttons, cards, or even entire sections of your UI. Now to get started with Auto Layout, make sure you've selected the layer or frame you want to apply it to. This could be anything, maybe a group of buttons or a list of items. With your selection ready, look for the Design tab over in the Properties panel on the right. Give that a click if you're not already there. Within the Design tab, you'll find the Auto Layout button. It might look like a little stack or say plus Auto Layout depending on your Figma version. Click it and congratulations, your layer now has Auto Layout applied. At this point, you'll see a few new options pop up. But what we're really looking for is that little curved arrow icon, which represents the wrap function. This icon is super important if you have a horizontal or vertical list of elements that you'd like to automatically flow into a new row or column once they run out of space, kind of like how words wrap in a paragraph. Go ahead and click that curved arrow and Figma will instantly enable wrapping for your auto layout frame. Let me give you a real-world scenario. Imagine you're designing a tag system, those little pill-shaped labels you see under blog posts or on cards. If you set up Auto Layout and then enable Wrap, as you add more tags to the row, Figma will automatically create a new line when there's no more room, keeping everything neat and organized. No need to force things into multiple groups or manually nudge each label into position. This is also especially helpful when you're designing for multiple screen sizes. If you resize your frame or the container, the wrapped layout will respond accordingly. No more labor-intensive adjustments just to make your elements fit. Figma does the heavy lifting for you, and your design team or future you will thank you. So to recap, it's as simple as this. Select your design frame, head to the right side to find Auto Layout in the Design panel, hit that Auto Layout button, then click on the wrap icon, the curved arrow. That's it. But don't worry if it takes a moment to spot these controls. Figma's interface can be a bit dense at first, but with practice it becomes second nature. Give it a shot on your next project and notice how much time you save. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Auto Layout Wrap or Figma in general, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys and I'm here to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a Figma tip or design tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.